Hey guys, I'm back out. It's an absolute cracking day, so let's see if we can find something nice. But yeah, I came back out on my field that's near a castle, so hopefully I can find some decent stuff. But anyway, I'll see you in the first hole. Right then guys, this is my first signal just here. It's reading 2830. It's probably just going to be a piece of junk. Where are we? Oh, it's a coin. Just turn that off. Oh, so this is probably the best condition coin of this age I've had in a long time. But anyway, so there's Britannia, and on the other side, George the Third. So that'll be a halfpenny. But yeah, get in. Right then guys, my next signal is this. Just looks like it's a lump of lead of some sort. Yeah, on to the next hole. Right then guys, my next signal, it's just a metal tube. It looks like it could be an old battery of some description. But yeah. Right then guys, this one's just out here somewhere. Oh, found it. There's another coin. A penny. 1917. So we've got George the Fifth. There we are. It's got a nice patina on that. Right then guys, my next signal is a bullet casing. Looks like a 303. There's no writing on the bottom. But yeah. Right then guys, this one was reading a 9, dropping down to an 8. So here it is, just here. Oh. It's an old shotty shell. Yeah. Right then guys, my next signal is just here. I think it's a big button. Yeah. There we go. Just a big button. Right then guys, this one's a solid 3. Oh, dropped it. Yep. What a shame that isn't a gold hammered. Right then guys, this one was reading at a 30. I think I see it. Oh no, that's in front. So it's going to be massive, whatever it is. Oh, whoa. Just a big disc. If you got any ideas what that is, guys, let me know down below. Right then guys, my next signal's in my hand. I think that's it there. Oh, Gotta be gentle with this, guys. Look at that. Get some squirt on it. Now, I don't think it's not a strap end. If you look just there, it looks like it might be a boot clasp. It's very ornate. If you've got any ideas, guys, let me know. It's very, very fragile, very fragile. I'll just pop it into here. Okay, then guys, catch you in the next one. Right then guys, apologies for the noise, there's a tractor just picking up some logs in the field. But my next signal, I scalped it as well, is just a bit of lead pipe. Right then guys, whatever it is, it's in this tiny little clump, so let's crack it. Oh, it is, I think it's just a button. Yeah, it's just a button. The old 4 holes. There you go. Right then guys, this is the next signal. It's a halfpenny and it's Queen Victoria, but I'm really confused because it blew my lugs off. I think there's more in there as well, so I'll just have a quick, I'll pause you and I'll turn you back on if I find more. Okay then guys, this was the other signal in the hole. It's just the end of a bullet. But yeah, always check the hole. Right then guys, this was the next signal. It's a big lump of lead. It looks like it's got a hole all the way through. I thought it was going to be some sort of like pipe fitting, but I don't think it is. If you got any ideas, guys, let me know. Right then guys, this is my next signal. Another bullet casing. Fired as well. Yeah. Right then guys, this is my next signal. It's a pen knife. It's actually probably the best nick one I've had in a while. Hi, how you doing? But yeah, so. Right then guys, my next signal. And just another shell. Right then guys, this signal was reading really high, around 27. So let's see what we can find. Oh, oh, I know what this is. It's a general service button. I like finding these. Right then, apologies for the noise once again. The tractor's back moving some more trees. So. Anyway, this is my next signal. Let's see what it is. I don't actually know what that is. Just a bullet, maybe? Yeah, could be a bullet. Right then guys, this coin has gave me a wee bit of hassle. At first I thought it was Roman, just because of it's not It's not all the same size, it's relatively thick and it doesn't look like very much, but when you turn it over you can just make out George V and his wee head. Alright, so there you go. Teeny wee thing. Must be a farthing. Right then guys, this is my next signal. It is a teeny tiny air gun pellet. But there's another signal in here as well. Just down here. Alright, so I'm just going to hit pause and then get it, okay? Right then guys, here it is. It's just another car. Take a big bus. That's class. It's massive. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Right then guys, my next signal is just in here. And this is it. Well, I know what that is. That's a bullet. And it's still partly in the casing. I wonder if the rest of it's in there. Yeah guys, there's the rest of it. I'll have to watch what I'm doing with that one because it's not fired. But yeah. Right then guys, my next signal is another penknife. This one's a bit battered up. Yeah. Right then guys, my next signal is just in my hand. It is another coin. It's an Edward this time. But yeah. Another halfpenny. Not bad neck either. Get in. Right then guys, here's my next signal. It's another shell of some description. I don't think it's a shotgun. Looks like a 25 mil, roughly. I don't know. But yeah. Well, I don't need my pinpointer to fight that one. Find this one. Bottle cap. Muck. Surprised it's not got glass in it. Now I'm proud to say this, but this is only my second moo tube. Believe it or not. Right then guys, this is my next signal. Not quite sure what it is. It's got a bit of decoration just there. But yeah, I'm not sure on this one. If you've got any ideas, you know what to do. Comment below. Well guys, that was a lot better than the last two digs there. Some nice coins. I'll do a wee gallery at the end. I know I don't normally, but I will this time. But yeah, I really enjoyed that hunt. It's got my spirits up a bit better on this field. This is I call it my castle field because I've just got a castle less than 200 metres away from where I'm standing just now. But yeah, so still no hammies, but it's not all about them, is it? It's about getting out. It's a glorious day. I'm absolutely roasting. I forgot to bring a drink with me as well, so I'm absolutely thirsty as anything. But in the meantime guys, hit subscribe and check out my links down below. My sponsor Unearthed as well. My gloves, these, I've took them off to film this. These are amazing. I figured out today that they actually work on the phone as well, so I don't need to keep taking them on and off, which is great. But you can pick them up from Unearthed. In the meantime, I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da now.